Okay students, let us start to solve our next part of question number 1, that is question number 5, taken from exercise number 1.4 of differentiation first chapter of mathematics 2, class 12. Okay, let us solve. We have given x is equal to a into 1 minus cos of theta and y is equal to b into theta minus sine of theta. We have to find dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, clear? But here x is a function in the form of theta, means x is a function in theta and y is another function in theta. Okay, so first of all we have to find dx by d theta, means we have to differentiate. We have to find derivative of x with respect to theta, and here we have to find dy by d theta. Okay, means derivative of y with respect to theta. Okay, after finding this, we have to find dy by dx, and dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Okay, means पहले हमें dx by d theta फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद dy by d theta फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना है, यहाँ पे रख देना है और उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देना है. That will be our derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, let us proceed. So dx by d theta means derivative of x with respect to theta as a. A is a constant and 1 you can write it as, means after opening the bracket we have a minus, dy by d theta of a minus a cos of theta. Okay, means multiply by a throughout the bracket we get, and this one is d by d theta of a minus d by d theta of a into cos of theta, and since a is a constant with respect to theta, the derivative of a is 0 minus a, this derivative can be written as d by d theta of cos of theta, and this one is equal to minus a minus sine theta. Derivative of cos theta with respect to theta is minus sine of theta. Okay, so this is equal to a into sine of theta. This is dx by d theta. Okay, clear? अब यहाँ पे आ जाइए. dy by d theta means this can be written as b theta minus b into sine of theta, that is 1 minute. D by d theta of b theta minus b into sine of theta, means opening the bracket को ओपन किया, मतलब थीटा से पूरे थ्रू आउट द ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाई किया, b into theta b theta minus b into sin theta. अब आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. So b is a constant, write it as d by d theta of theta minus b is a constant, writing as d by d theta of sine of theta, and this one is equal to b, this one is theta. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 minus b, derivative of sine theta with respect to theta is cos of theta. Okay, and this one is equal to b minus b cos of theta. This is our dy by d theta. Okay, so we have second one, means first dx by d theta is equal to a sin theta, and second one is dy by d theta is equal to b minus b cos of theta. सो इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल dy by d थीटा दैट इज b minus b cos of theta into d theta by dx means we have to find the reciprocal of dx by d theta। हमें इसको उल्टा करना पड़ेगा। सो इसको आप उल्टा कर दीजिए। means find the reciprocal of dx by d theta that is a sin of theta। इसको उल्टा कर लेते हैं means अपॉन 1 उल्टा हो जाएगा रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन a और a sin थीटा 1 अपॉन a sin थीटा। देखो 20 में से कॉमन निकाल लीजिए तो 1 माइनस cos ऑफ थीटा एंड होल डिवाइड बाय a इनटू sin ऑफ थीटा। अब अपने आंसर के हिसाब से आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में आंसर रहेगा उसको आप मैच कीजिए। अगर आपको पूरा उसी से मैच करवाना है तो आप इसको और सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं। तो आप यही तरह विद दैट समझो हमें और प्रोसीड करना है तो आप इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हो b by a into 1 minus cos theta। the formula for cos theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 okay and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2। this one is equal to b by a 1 and 1 get cancelled out 2 and 2 get cancelled out sin theta get cancelled out minus into minus plus means sin theta upon cos theta that is tan of theta by 2। so we have dy by dx as b by a tan theta by 2। क्लियर ना? हमें 1 को रिमूव करना है एंड अगर हमको फॉर्मूला याद है तो हम डायरेक्ट यूज कर सकते हैं। मींस 1 माइनस sin 1 माइनस cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू क्या 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 1 प्लस cos थीटा दैट इज 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 माइनस होता है तो sin आता है cos प्लस होता है तो cos आता है। ओके क्लियर? और यहाँ पे sin स्क्वायर था यहाँ पे sin था कैंसिल हो गया बचा एक यहाँ स्क्वायर तक बचा एक पार्ट sin थीटा बाय 2 cos थीटा बाय 2 दैट इज tan थीटा बाय 2 और माइनस इनटू माइनस प्लस हो गया 1 1 कैंसिल आउट हो गया 2 2 कट गया दैट इज dy by dx is equal to 2 b by a tan theta by 2। in this way we can find the derivative of y with respect to x as x is equal to x is a function in theta and y is a function in theta। समझ में आ गया स्टूडेंट्स? आगे आप तो लिखिए डाउट हो तो बताइए।